Isang magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang January 17, 2022 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Ito po si Benji Chadoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And I do this report every day, which I started August of 2020. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa BDO. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSA ngayong araw. January 17, Monday. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial headlines. Okay, Department of Energy clears 147 firms to supply clean energy to DUs. Then we have data of Globe customers can be donated to audit victims. So, ibig sabihin yung pina-purchase nating data, no? And then we have Philippine Business Banks tops PLDT Enterprise for telco services. And then we have our news for the day. BDO rises as November bad debt ratio improves. So let's now go to our main news on BDO. Improving asset quality of the Philippine banking system drove traders to stock up on shares in C-led BDO Unibank Inc. last week. A total of 9.54 million BDO shares worth 1.21 billion were traded from January 10 to 14. Data from the PSE showed, making it the sixth most actively traded stock in the market. BDO's share grew by 5.3% on a week-on-week basis to 129.50 apiece on Friday. Since the first trading day of the year, the stock price climbed by 7.9%. The movement in BDO's price is mainly because of the steady improvement in the banking industry, both in terms of asset quality and expansion in the total loan portfolio. Regina Capital Development Corp Head of Research Luis A. Limlingan said in a Viber message, "Bad debts held by the Philippine banking system as a share of its total loan portfolio eased in November as non-performing loans or NPL ratio reached an 8-month low of 4.35%. Preliminary data from the BSP showed. This was lower compared to the October's 4.42%, but remained elevated from the 5.81% recorded in November 2020. Okay, so this is our main news for the day at tignan natin si BDO mamaya. Now, before we go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, may I just read some comments here from our subscribers. Enrico Gonzalez, thank you sir for the analysis on the REITs. Okay, and then let's take a look at the other comments. Sir Bench, pwede po bang mapabilang sa blue chip stocks this February ay 9 months na siya as publicly listed company na siyang required ng PSE, ang MONDE Nissen, kasi given na ang big cap ng MONDE, pasok na siya sa PSE criteria. Ano po take nyo? Akyat po ba ang price niyan ng todo just like Converge na naging blue chip? Hold it for long term. Okay, si Katz, no? So, yan po yung sinabi ni Katz Bigwater. Tingnan po natin, ano? PSA po nagde-decide yan kung mapapabilang po sa index. Alam niyo po, iba po yung aking pananaw dyan, ano? Pagka sinabi po nating nasa index, not necessarily po siya blue chip. Ang sa akin po kasi, ang definition ko po ng blue chip ay isang kumpanyang matagal nang nag-ooperate at isang kumpanyang nakaranas na ng maraming pagsubok at naging matagumpay siya sa mga pagsubok na yan. So, example po yung niyan ay mga kumpanyang matagal nang inorganize, no? Or pinut up na negosyo. Example po niyan ay San Miguel, Ayala Corporation, Meralco, PLDT. Karamihan po sa mga index stocks ay magaganda naman pong kumpanya, pero just a few of them would qualify as my definition of blue chip companies. No? Kasi yan po yung pumasa sa test, pumasa sa pagsubok, kumbaga. Okay, so tingnan po natin, Kats, yung MONDE kung papasok po siya, kasi po si PSE po nag-evaluate niyan. Okay, sabi din ni Kats, tama po kayo sa advice ninyo sa mga viewers, mas maganda po mag-trade sa US if ayun siya kasi it's trading over 1 trillion value turnover per day. Ang US market po ay mas masigla compared dun sa PSE. Madalas is driven by FDIs dahil napakaliit ng percentage ng Pinoys nag-invest o nagte-trade. Actually, mas malaki po ang market ng US and mas developed po siya. In fact, makaka-invest na po kayo sa halagang $100 Kaya nyo pong mag-invest dyan. Kahit $50, kaya nyo po mag-invest At mas developed po siya. At very accessible po ang US markets. Okay din po ang Converge mag-investor for long-term investment. Sabi ni Anime TV. Converge. Index stock na ba si Converge? I'm not sure, no? Pero kung nasa index po yan, maganda naman po si Converge, kasi growth stock naman po yan At maganda naman po yung kumpanya, maganda din po yung fundamentals niya. In general po, kung nasa index po siya, magandang kumpanya po yan. At pwede po kayo mag-invest dyan. Okay? And then, meron pang isa dito, si James. Naputol lang kanyang comment hindi ko mabasa ng todo, o ng complete. Sabi niya dito, I'm 22, I'm planning to invest 10K siguro sa Philippine stock market ito. So, kung yan po yung inyong message, James, 10K pwede na po yan sa Philippine stock market. Meron na po kayo mabibiling stocks dyan na maayos naman. Kasi may mga murang stocks like Metro Pacific or Jollibee, pwede na po kayo makabili ng stocks worth 10K. Mga 2 o 3 stocks, pumili lang po kayo ng mahuhusay na stocks. Karamihan po niyan ay nasa index. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange. And the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. It declined. It ended at 7223.83 or 37.51% down, 0.52% from the previous closing, Yun po yung index natin ngayon. Pero kahit red candlestick po siya, ay under the candlestick pa rin po ang ating mga indicators indicating a bullish trend. Ngayon, RSI is somewhat in the middle, 51.86. So, an indication of sideways to bullish ang trend po niya. Yun namang ating market activity. 104 companies declined, 78 advanced, while 61 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.26%. Only mining and services are positive. 2.30% increase po si mining, while services is 0.31, almost flat. While the financials, holding companies, industrials, and properties are down. Yung most active stocks naman ay titingnan po natin. We will be reviewing BDO, SPNEC, QRC, HTI, house stock, listing date niya ngayon. And then let's take a look at MONDE and Emperador. So, tingnan na po natin ang ating i-review na stocks. Ang una po ay BDO. Wow, BDO, nag-profit taking lang siya, no? 127.20 yung closing price niya. Pero it has been moving upwards since the start of the year, January 6, oh. Yan. So, nagkakaroon lang ng konting dips. But all in all, the stock is bullish with resistance here at 133 and support. Let's take EMA 100 as our support, 121.83. Now, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not the exact points, but these are areas. And then SPNEC, talagang moving forward si SPNEC. Oh. Look at that. Ito yung previous resistance niya. Nandito po. Sa areang to. Yan, nasa 140 po. Nasa 161 na siya. Gaining 10 centavos or 6.62%. So, congratulations po sa mga nakabili ng SPNEC, ha? Congratulations po sa inyo. So, it continues to move upwards with net foreign buying at 1.94%. And then, next po I see HTI. Ngayon, titingnan lang po natin yung movement niya, no? Kasi first day lang po siya. So, nagkaroon siya ng high of 173 today and a low of 145. Pero nag-open siya at 149. I think 150 yung kanyang IPO price, no? So, kung titingnan po natin yung 15-minute chart, yan. Umakyat po siya in the first 15 minutes and then dito po sa mga bandang 11:30 patuloy na umakyat. Pagkatapos po ay bumaba na po at nag-profit taking na. So, this appears to be a good stock, ano? Yung kanyang umpisa ay napakaganda. So, it opened lower than the IPO price but closed higher at 160. Which is magandang pangitain po yan for a stock. But I cannot place a support and resistance at the moment. Pagkatapos po, I see, nakalimutan natin, URC. URC muna. Yan, bumaba uli si URC, 126.50. And nasa support level na po si URC, ha. Nandito po. Yan, nasa 126.50 po yung pinaka-support level niya. At yung pinaka-resistance, nandito po sa area to. And it continues to move down. 132.84 po yung resistance. And kung titingnan po natin yung RSI, nasa 42. So, below the midpoint po. Which is a bearish sign, ano? Pati po yung ating mga indicators, yung EMA 50, 20, and EMA 100 are above the candlesticks, indicating a bearish movement on the stock. And then after URC, tignan naman natin si MONDE. Yan, MONDE, no? So, 15.83. So, yan po si MONDE with a support at 15.83. And it appears to be bullish na, no? Kasi 3 successive green candlesticks and the last 2 candlesticks are above our indicators. So, bullish sentiment po siya. Pero, RSI is also bullish at 62.62. And meron siyang net foreign buying today. In the meantime, yung ating resistance nandito po sa area to, sa 18.23, yung pinaka-nearest resistance niya. And then after MONDE, tingnan natin si Emperador for quite some time. Talagang mukhang bullish si Emperador, oh. Nagkaroon siya ng upward movement dito, pero nagkaroon siya ng flag consolidation here, but this time today ay nagkaroon siya ng movement, ano, pataas. Na-news kaya to? Wala. But all in all ay bullish po si Emperador, ha? Kasi under the candlesticks lahat yung ating mga indicators niya. RSI is also above the midpoint, so nasa 55.80, indicating a bullish trend. So yan po, no? Ang pinaka-support po natin ay nakikita ko po sa area to. Actually, near support na po ito. Let's take EMA50 as our support, 17.81. While the resistance sa area po ito sa 2070 to 2080 po ang pinaka-resistance ni Emperador. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. January 17, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. Mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.